touch me jelly girl.
We don't work for another man. Freelancers as a team and we hustlers. No one paid for the number one. No one dared on the new crazy party band. We don't work for another man. No sleep, sightsee, always on the run. While the